今日要教大家點樣由九龍灣地鐵站去到九龍灣 CIC 院校。Today, I'm going to show you how to go from Kowloon Bay MTR station to CIC Kowloon Bay campus. So we are getting off at Kowloon Bay station, exit A. 咁我哋咧就喺九龍灣地鐵站 A 出口嗰度出。跟住我哋就會見到德福廣場，and then we can see Ted Fook Plaza, and we are going up by the escalator。咁我哋咧就用扶手電梯上去啦。然後我哋咧就經過德福廣場第二期嗰度，繼續向前行。And then we are going to this Ted Fook Plaza 2 and go straight again。喺德福二期嗰度行到盡，就會見到有一條 escalator 向下嘅，咁我哋就落。At the end of Ted Fook Plaza Phase 2, you can see an escalator. We need to go down。轉右 turn right。然後出咗德福廣場第二期之後，你就會見到咁樣嘅，呢度係德福廣場第二期嘅出口啦。So after you exit from the Ted Fook Plaza Phase 2, then you can see this is the street. After we get out from this gate, and then we turn left. 我哋轉左。九龍灣院校就喺你嘅左邊。So Kowloon Bay campus is actually at your left hand here. But we go straight the entrance。我哋繼續向前行，嗰度有得人。So this is the entrance that you can enter in。呢度咧就係你哋可以入嚟嘅院校嘅門口啦。遲啲見，see you later。